So welcome back, guys. If this is your first time watching this channel, I apologize. This video is a little bit different. No surfboard build, but instead I'm going to show you guys how I take my waste resin scraps that I just built up in a cup over the numerous surfboards that I've made. I'm going to show you guys how I turn them into shift knobs or gear knobs or fin keys, and all of this stuff you can sell. So for the turning video today for the shift knob, I think I'll use this blank here. Lots of different colors in that one, lots of darks and lots of lights. All just scrap resin that I've tipped in there over the course of maybe a couple of months from different surfboards. And all I've done is I've just glued in a bit of birch ply, a little circle of birch ply, just to make the bottom of the handle a little bit more classy. And also it helps the wood lathe chuck bit grip a bit more. Not necessary, but that's today's blank, so let's see what it turns out like at the end of the video. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you very much for watching. So if you guys are enjoying the content, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Next video up will be a start to finish build of something a little bit different. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. And we might start a GoFundMe page to fund myself some new t-shirts.